you create your bullet and get it just the way you want it, the next step is going to be to publish it. But before we publish it, we want to make sure we've got everything set up right. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to tap this gear icon in the top right. This is where we can make changes to the settings for the bullet. So for example, we might add, or change the title, and add what the topic is for that Sunday. Sometimes that's helpful for members. The other thing is we might want to make sure that we get the date right. And so this allows us to go in and change the date for whatever, whenever the meeting date is going to be. The third thing that's really important is attaching these bullets to a ward. And so we want to make sure that all of our bullets are attached to a ward, because this is what allows you to share these bullets with the members of your ward. And then the final thing that we can do in the settings screen is we can add editors. And so this makes it really nice if you have multiple bishopric members that all want to be able to have access to updating or changing the bullet. And so we can come in here and we can add members of the bishopric or ward executive secretaries so that they can have access to update and edit the bullets. You'll notice that there's a tab next to each editor about whether or not they can view ward business. So some people, you may want to be able to update and edit the ward bullet, like your ward music coordinator may want to add the hymns, or your ward bulletin coordinator may want to set up most of the bullet but not have access to see who's getting called and released. You can limit which of the editors have the ability to see ward business. You can also delete a bullet if you made a mistake, or if you want to get rid of it, you can delete it here. So that's all the settings that you'll need to update. And then from there, the final step to publish a bullet is just to click this publish button in the bottom right. And once you publish it, this is then going to be public for everybody in your ward to have access to. So, it will require you on the very first time to request access. This allows us to limit publishing things to those, who have need to publish. That way we don't have a bunch of junk in the app. But once you do that, you can publish the bullet, and this will turn into a check mark, and you'll be good to go. In one of the next guides, I'll show you how to distribute and how to share the bullet. Thanks for watching.